The laundry is where the hard work happens, but that doesn't mean that this can't be a beautiful space. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the entire family involved in house chores by turning this room into a space anyone would want to spend time in. Tjhoko Paint, in association with Taste and Home magazine, is looking for South Africa's next Tjhoko Champ. Find inspiration for a complete home DIY makeover as we show you how to transform a space from bland to grand the Tjhoko way. For today's laundry makeover, you will need masonite boards cut to the size 15 by 15 centimeter, masking tapes, Tjhoko stencil brush, matte black, cloud white, clear glaze, microfiber cloth, cool boiled water, and a paint tray with a foam roller. First, I'm going to decant some cloud white in my paint tray. And I'm going to roll my foam roller nicely and evenly through my paint so the paint is distributed evenly onto my foam roller. I'm going to lay my masonite blocks nicely in a row and very evenly roll my first coat of paint onto my blocks. If you want to remove any air bubbles, lightly roll over your surface without applying too much pressure. And I'm also going to paint the edges of my blocks. Allow for your first coat to dry, apply your second coat, and then you are going to start with the stencil work. I'm going to use this beautiful stencil design, place it nicely in the center of my block, use my matte black. I have some in the lid of my jar, which I'm going to use. Apply onto your stencil brush. Remove any excess. The drier your stencil brush, the greater the success. I press the stencil down with my free hand, nicely fits onto my block, and in circular motion, I stencil onto my tiles. I am done, I reveal, and it's beautiful, and I continue to do the rest of my tiles depending on the surface that you're going to tile. That will determine how many tiles you are going to need to stencil. Next, I allow for my paint to cure for 4 hours. Coastal areas or in winter months, we recommend to wait overnight. And when working kitchens, bathrooms or outside, we recommend to apply the clear glaze after your paintwork is completed. That makes the surface water resistant, more stain resistant, and for outside use also UV resistant. I'm going to mix the clear glaze as follows. I'm using the lid of my jar just to make it easier, and I'm applying 3 parts glaze, with 1 part cooled boiled water. When you want less of a sheen finish, You can mix the glaze 1 part glaze with 1 part cool boiled water, and we also recommend this ratio on darker colors. I'm going to use a damp microfiber cloth. Dip it in my glaze mixture. Squeeze out excess moisture, but I do make sure that my entire cloth has absorbed the glaze. I fold the cloth like a ball in the palm of my hand. I work in a well-lit space, and very evenly I apply the glaze onto my wooden tiles. Once we have completed the glazing process, the hard work will happen. Let's go tile. I have painted my wall in matte black so that I actually don't have to use tile grouts just to make the process easier. I'm using a glue sticks like, and I'm adding some glue at the back of all my stenciled blocks. I'm going to use tile spacers to make sure that my tile work is well lined. And my DIY tiled wall is complete, and already my laundry looks so much more inviting.